Howdy folks, welcome back to Digitonic One. What we got here are some Ohio Lottery Cash Explosion Anniversary tickets. And I got a couple lottery swindlers. That's right, some lottery swindlers. Deli Ortiz sent these to me. If you haven't checked out Deli Ortiz's channel, I'll put a link down in the descriptions to her channel. And she's got an awesome channel. She does Massachusetts lottery tickets. Check it out. It's a lottery swindler. Looks like he's got his own website there. www.swindler1.com. Swindler One. This is Digitonic One. The lottery swindler. I think I'm going to stick this blue one in the car. And I'm going to use this red one here in the house. The lottery swindler. Far out. Thanks, Deli. Let's see if we can win some money. We got tickets number 64, 63, and 62. 62, 63, and 64. Alright, let's use the new swindler and see what we can swindler out of them. Whoop, just kicked the dang tripod. Alright, let's see what we got on these. 3 identical prize amounts, or 2 identical prize amounts and a 2X or 5X, or 3 entries to get an entry for the TV game show, or 1 30th anniversary symbol to get registered for the $300,000 they're giving away. I believe it's sometime in August. Alright, let's see what we got. I am swindler de-virginized now. There's two $10. 50. 5,000. Oop, there's an entry. Entry. There's 2 entries. There's 2 entries. Might get on the game show. $50. That's 2 50s, 2 entries, and 2 10s. There's 3 entries. All right, got an entry ticket for the TV game show. Far out. Might get on the show. And a 5,000. So that was just 2 5,000s. I have heard rumors that sometimes they'll put entry on a ticket with the winner too. I don't know. That's 1 entry. All right. All right. I just recently put one in. All right. Ticket number 63. Uh-oh. Here comes another entry. Entry. $100. $2. $5. $50. $20. $10. $10. So that's 2 10s. I believe that's it. Yep. I'll be dang. A double. $20. I'll be dang. $20. Ain't that something? All right. $20 winner. Yeehaw. Lucky swindler. The lucky swindler. Yeah. All right. Ticket number 64. $5. $2. $4. $50. An entry. 500. All right. $10. $4. So that's 2 $4. And I believe that's it. Yep, 2 $4. And the $2. This says 2 $2. Yep, that's it. So that one's a loser. 64 was the loser. But hey, not too shabby. Got a $20 winner on a $2 ticket. And got an entry to the TV game show. That's right. An entry to the Ohio Lottery Cash Explosion TV game show. All right. Hey, thanks a bunch, Deli. Got the lucky swindlers now. Got one for the home and one for the car. I'll put the link down in the descriptions there to Deli's channel. So check her out. And there's where you can get the Lottery Swindler Scratch Card Remover. I wonder if that dude's a swindler. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Live from the Jupiter table. That's about it.